QuestBridge partners primarily with universities, and they support high-achieving students, highly successful academics. Our partnership with QuestBridge is actually fairly new to them. We're helping QuestBridge build out their corporate partnership program, and it's really taken off. There's not a lot of diversity in STEM. There's not a lot of diversity in economics, and part of that is the talent pipeline. QuestBridge focuses on rising juniors, which we refer to as research scholars, and the idea is for them to come for 10 weeks and to be placed in one of our practices and for them to focus on research projects.
Scholars get to work on important tasks. People are really supportive. The program is like an amazing opportunity to learn about economic consulting. When I was talking to Raquel about CRA, the way she described the culture and the environment and the work, it just was so appealing to me. And all the people that you're going to be working with are some of the smartest people you'll ever meet.
I applied for this internship because I really wanted to get experience in the energy industry, and I knew that this would be a great opportunity to do that from a side that I haven't experienced before. And then I was also really drawn to CRA's values. One of their core values is inclusivity, and I think that their initiative to partner with QuestBridge really speaks to that.
I always knew I wanted to work in healthcare, but getting exposed to the different parts of life sciences, commercial strategy, pricing, marketing, and access has been really interesting. Just know that you'll be doing a lot of learning, connecting, and definitely is for the better, and I believe it will set you up for success in the long run.
First week, I was able to involve myself on a client engagement and contribute meaningful work products to that. So obviously having an impact very quickly, very early on, and that was important. And then through the research, a lot of seniors here at the firm have taken interest in what I'm doing. And after getting involved in research and seeing what they do here at CRA, econ consulting is definitely something that I could see myself doing long term. And even more forward thinking, a lot of the people here at CRA carry advanced degrees, whether that be PhDs, MBAs, JDs, and so even something such as graduate school, which I hadn't initially considered, is definitely something that I'm now considering after this internship.
Research scholars are fully integrated into the firm, the practices, but their main focus is research as opposed to, say, client-facing project work. They have received a lot of training and support, academic support, professional and career support from QuestBridge. The research scholars that I've seen come through the QuestBridge program have been very well prepared.
I learned a lot of SQL coding and a lot of front-end work with Tableau and Power BI. So it's kind of getting paid to do what will help you in the future on campus. So I've learned a lot of technical skills, also learned a lot of soft skills. This internship's a great way of just like exposing yourself to a whole bunch of things. For example, how to network, how to just learn like professional lingo, and being able to work on cases you see in the news while at the same time being able to apply quantitative skills is something new I learned about the consulting industry, and is a big reason about why I'm heavily considering returning.
This is my first financial-focused internship. I'm definitely learning a lot about how I can use the skills that I've gained throughout the years and how I can apply those skills to the more financial world. I feel more prepared to take more statistical courses and more econometrics courses.
I would absolutely recommend this internship program, no doubt, because the people here are incredible. I love speaking with them. They are super helpful, super collaborative, and anytime I have a question, they're right there to answer it and work with me on it.
And so these internship programs are about giving students access to working at a firm like CRA, access to a corporate setting, to consulting, to professional services, to a network that they might not otherwise have. And so it all lines up with respect to my remit of inclusion and engagement and our ESG framework with the pillar of community advancement and our theme of access to higher education.